Has he found it already?
You go, Jimmy. Sorry.
Ken, stop trying to bribe the cameraman.
Yeah, right.
My name's Jordan and I work for Bosch Professional Power Tools and Accessories. He's excited?
I'm very excited. I'm going to win one of these. That's what I'm thinking, because I haven't won one.
Right, so do you want to know what the first challenge is?
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Right, so it's called Hide It Like It's Hot.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
I've just chucked you some hand warmers, kind of like a grown-up game of hide and seek. You've taken turns, two of you will have 2 minutes to hide one of the top secret heat sources somewhere in the building behind us. Then the other member will use the Bosch GTC 600C thermal camera to find the heat source. Did you get that?
Otherwise known as the Predator. Yeah.
Me or the camera?
The camera.
Right, so the heat sources may be disguised or hidden within materials, so think fast and smart. Points will be awarded based on speediness, and I will also take points off you if you need some hints. Let the hunt begin.
Let's go.
Right, where are we thinking, Jimmy?
Upstairs, Phil.
Upstairs,
First
let's
place to go, mate, every time. Look, what we do, we use psychology
Yes.
to put it in this box, like that, and then we just put the box in the middle of the floor. I bet he walks around it. I bet he doesn't look in that
He
box.
will stand on it. It should suppress the heat. Can we think of anywhere else we could hide it? I would go up there. I'm a little bit short.
One of the video guys, I give him a $5, he's gonna tell me where to hide it.
Matt, where would you hide it?
Hide it down here.
Or do we put the box in the middle of the floor there?
I know, Jimmy, I know he's gonna hide it. Phil, we'll try something different.
We could attach a fishing line to it and pull it when he gets near it.
Okay, no, I think we've done well there. We've used psychology, we've used a little bit of cardboard. Who is it?
How are you feeling, Ken?
Very, very confident.
Ken, stop trying to bribe the camera. Right, let's go then, Ken.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling good. I know these guys, Jordan, I know these guys. Let's see. Whoa, what is that?
He's not going to look in a box. There's no way.
Yeah, boy.
So that was quick.
Has he found it already? Has he found it already? He's found it already?
I don't know if other guys are going to beat that.
I don't think so.
Let's go find out.
I don't think they'll do the bribing, so they won't. King is in town. Hand me the trophy. It's done. You can't beat that.
I put it in a box.
No,
Phil was the one who put it there. Sorry, Phil, this is all your fault.
said it.
Well, Ken,
quick.
there you go.
So who's up next?
Lived up to your
Yep.
your name of being very quick.
You take that, you come over.
Brill. So Jimmy, we're going to keep the psychology in mind. Oh. Should be warm from the last round.
I never won, and I just like to win.
Regarding the GTC 600,
It has got me out of a lot of trouble. One thing I really do love is it allows me to prove to customers things like underfloor heating, things like that. I've used it for that a few times.
We'll hide it in here. Hopefully, heat will come through the bag. Right, let's give that a try.
Also, it's just great to point at your mates and go, you know, like I could point at Lee, the cameraman there, and tell you that currently he's 28 degrees. You feeling all right? A bit peaky?
I've got paracetamol if you're needing some.
Jimmy.
Are you feeling confident?
No, 5 seconds is hard to beat. It's already been 5 seconds.
Kitchen.
Mate, he said kitchen, he's lying, isn't he? Not in there, this is going well, isn't it? What if they put it behind here? I mean, this is warm already, isn't it? Look, you can see the heat on that. I mean, where would he have put it?
He'd be the type of person to find it but then lose the thermal camera.
Not down there. You could use this on Most Haunted, couldn't you? Well, that's quite warm. It's very warm.
There you go.
There they are.
There they are. How would you rate that performance?
Yeah, pretty upset, Jordan, to be honest, mate.
I would be too.
But I didn't need any hints. That was wasn't it?
Come on, pop it.
There's your hand warmers.
Sometime today, Jimmy. 5 seconds. 5 minutes. I reckon I'll go somewhere in between.
There you go, boy.
Thank you very much.
Good luck with that. Right, I've already thought of it. Let's go upstairs. You're actually going to be able to lift me?
You're listening to 105.6 FM.
Now, the one downstairs is lower. But how about under here? Look, under here. Yes. I'm 100% last. Most chippies don't care about radiators. Ken, you ain't moving it. Ken!
Time's up.
Ah, time's up, Ken! Leave it there!
The radio that goes into your soul.
Right, how are we feeling, lads? Confident in your chosen spot?
No.
Right, you probably see it around here. Some heat sources. What is
I
that?
was never going to find it because he's thick.
That is the charging bay. Quick scan of every single room. Checking around here. There's a little bit of heat coming off this radio. Let's have a look in the media bay. Not in there either. Dead end. No heat sources there. Ooh, hang on. I can see some heat coming from these insulation tubes. Nothing in that one.
If you're needing a hint, it's not too late to ask.
Okay, they've actually made it difficult for me. I can still see the heat spot from last time.
And it might be time to take a hint.
I think I need to take a hint.
So I could tell you that you're on the right floor now.
I'm on the right floor now.
It is somewhere located in here.
Not there, not there, not there. Oh, hang on, it's from the sun. Off camera, just tell me. The last place I would look. Ah,
Have we found it?
cheeky.
There we go.
They want to move into this house already, it's taken that long.
After a month.
But he's got a beard. The thing is, a bad workman always blames his tools. You weren't looking at the camera screen, you were thinking you could see heat. But you can only see heat with that. Did you use any
Hints? No hints whatsoever.
We were listening actually.
Turn round, Phil.
Stay there.
Turn round. No, he's gone out again. Oh no,
Steady.
he's near it.
How'd you guys find it?
Difficult.
Would you like to find out how long it took you?
Break it to me.
Number one, obviously Ken.
5 second Ken.
And yourself, James, we're at 3 minutes and 4 seconds. It's not too bad.
What's my time?
5 minutes and 31 seconds.
5 minutes 31 seconds. How about
There
that?
is room for improvement in the next
There's
challenge.
a lot of
so
room
keep the
for
chin up.
improvement.
So the leaderboard at the minute, we've got 5 points to Ken,
Well done, Ken.
3 points to James,
Well done, mate.
and 1 point to Phil.
What's the next challenge, George?
Do you want to find out?
I want to find out.
Right, so this one's called It's All in the Communication. That was a mouthful, wasn't it? It was. Control of the shocker.
Yes! You want one more?
I'm ready for anything!
Stop! No loss!